almost get stage fright every time it's time to yawn. I don't feel like yawning anymore when I turn the camera on. Oh. Good night. Oh. Oh, if I yawn anymore, I'm going to go for afternoon nap. I don't feel well today. So, let me try and get up because I did have a nap already, but then I had to come back to lay down because I feel so weak. I've been weak all week. Oh. I keep like getting a cold. Then I take colloidal water, and then it goes away. I take some silver that I make on my generator, and I only just take enough. But then for some reason, it's not going away fully. Uh, uh, oh. Oh.